Welcome to Hands-on Equations Fractions Lesson 5. In Lesson 5, it will now be required that we rename in order to carry out our legal moves. Our first problem in Lesson 5 is this one. So we have 2y increased by 1/6 of y, increased by 4 equals 20, increased by 5/6 of y. So we are solving our fractional unit is our 1/6, so we are solving for 1/6 of y, and then we will do our check. So let's start by setting up this problem on our scale. So this is our original setup for the equation here. So I've set it up like this, and now it is time for us to do our legal moves. So we can do a couple of legal moves without having to change anything. First, we can remove one green block from this side and one green block from this side. Next, we can remove 4 from this side and 4 from this side, leaving us with 16 on this side. Now, in order to continue to simplify, we want to get rid of these remaining green blocks so that our numbers are isolated on the right side of our scale. In order to do that, we have to make an exchange of one of our yellow blocks for 6 green blocks. So I have now replaced one of my yellow blocks with 6 of the green blocks, and I am now able to complete my legal moves. So I have 4 green blocks remaining on this side. I can remove all 4 of those, and I can also remove 4 from this side, leaving me with 1 yellow block and 2 green blocks on this side, and then 16 on the right. And rather than actually replacing this yellow block with 6 more green blocks, I'm just going to know that my yellow block is worth 6 green blocks. And so on this side, I have 8 green blocks, 6 here, and then these 2. So 8 green blocks gives me 16, which means that each of my green blocks, or each of my 1/6 block, is worth 2. And since this is worth 6 green, 2 times 6 is 12, so my yellow is worth 12. So I have my 1/6 y equals 2 and my y equals 12. So I'm going to set my problem back up in its original form so that I can do my check. So I have reset up my original setup and equation, and so now I'm just going to do my check. So if my yellow is worth 12, on this side I have 12, 24. My 1/6 is worth 2, so 24 plus 2 is 26, and then plus another 4 is 30. So on this side I have 30. On this side I have 10, 20, and then each of my green blocks being worth 2, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. That means that my solution to this problem is 1/6 of y is 2, y equals 12, and my check is 30 equals 30. Our next example is 2y minus 2/3 of y plus 4 equals 18 plus 2/3 y. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. So I would start with my 2y, but I see now that I need to remove 2/3 y. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to replace one of my yellow blocks with my 1/3 blocks, and I am now able to remove 2/3 of that here, plus 4 equals 18 plus 2/3. All right, so now I can go ahead and start performing my legal moves, and I will start by removing a 4 from this side, which leaves me with 14 on this side. I can remove 1 blue block here and 1 blue block here, but I still need to get rid of this blue block, so I can replace this also with 3 blues, and then I'm able to remove 1 from each side. So I'm left with 2 of my 1/3 blocks equaling 14, which means that each of my 1/3 block is worth 7. Knowing that 1/3 of my yellow is worth 7 means that my yellow itself is worth 21, and I can now set up my original equation in order to do my check. So I have set up my original equation again in order to do my check. So if my 1/3 is worth 7 and my yellow is worth 21, then I can do my check. So I have 21 plus 7 is 28, plus 4 gives me 32. On this side I have 18, plus 7 is 25, and plus another 7 is also 32. So my solution for this problem is 1/3 of y is equal to 7, y is equal to 21, and my check is 32 equals 32. All right, you are now ready to do your work for lesson 5.